Hello, my dear viewers. I'm sure everyone might have tried throwing the coin in the river in their lifetime. Do you know the scientific reason behind this? Let's understand. Come on. Many people believe that throwing coins into water can bring them good luck. This belief stems from the past when coins were crafted from copper, a metal that is beneficial for our health. In those days, rivers served as a primary source of drinking water. Consequently, our ancestors threw coins into rivers as a means of ensuring that the water they drank contained sufficient amounts of copper. Over time, this practice evolved into a tradition that was followed by everyone, and I'm sure till now everybody loves throwing coins in the river. Happy learning! Thank you for watching the video.